Antioxidants are compounds produced in your body and found in foods. They help defend your cells from damage caused by potentially harmful molecules known as free radicals. When free radicals accumulate, they may cause a state known as oxidative stress. This may damage your DNA and other important structures in your cells. Fortunately, eating a diet rich in antioxidants can help increase your blood antioxidant levels to fight oxidative stress and reduce the risk of these diseases. Scientists use several tests to measure the antioxidant content of foods. Dark chocolate. Lucky for chocolate lovers, dark chocolate is nutritious. It has more cocoa than regular chocolate, as well as more minerals and antioxidants. Based on the Frapp analysis, dark chocolate has up to 15 millimoles of antioxidants per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. This is even more than blueberries and raspberries, which contain up to 9.2 and 2.3 millimoles of antioxidants in the same serving size, respectively. Another study found that dark chocolate may reduce the risk of heart disease by raising blood antioxidant levels, raising levels of good HDL cholesterol, and preventing bad LDL cholesterol from becoming oxidized. Pecans. Pecans are a type of nut native to Mexico and South America. They are a good source of healthy fats and minerals, plus contain a high amount of antioxidants. In addition, pecans can help raise antioxidant levels in the blood. In another study, people who consumed pecans experienced a 26 to 33% fall in oxidized blood LDL levels within 2 to 8 hours. High levels of oxidized LDL cholesterol in the blood are a risk factor for heart disease. Blueberries. Although they are low in calories, blueberries are packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Several studies even suggest that blueberries contain the highest amount of antioxidants among all commonly consumed fruits and vegetables. They are among the best sources of antioxidants in the diet. They are rich in anthocyanins and other antioxidants that may help reduce the risk of heart disease and delay the decline in brain function that happens with age. Red cabbage. Red cabbage has an impressive nutrient profile. Also known as purple cabbage, it is rich in vitamin C, K, and A, and has a high antioxidant content. What's more, red cabbage is a rich source of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant in the body. Vitamin C may help strengthen the immune system and keep the skin firm. Beets. Beets, also known as beetroot, are the roots of a vegetable scientifically known as Beta vulgaris. They have a mild taste and are a great source of fiber, potassium, iron, folate, and antioxidants. They're particularly rich in a group of antioxidants called betalains. These give beets their reddish color and have been linked to health benefits. Additionally, beets contain other compounds that may help suppress inflammation. For example, a study found that taking betalain capsules made from beetroot extract significantly relieved osteoarthritis pain and inflammation. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutritionally dense vegetables. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and is incredibly low in calories. Spinach is also a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that may help protect your eyes from damaging UV light and other harmful light wavelengths. These antioxidants help combat damage to the eyes that free radicals may cause over time.